What types of coils can Shipu flying fork winding machines handle? Spherical coils can be wound, and the model introduced last time can meet the requirements. U-shaped coils are also applicable, with excellent winding results. C-shaped semicircular coils, such as those used in transformers and clamp ammeters, can also be wound efficiently with the model shown in the video. The core advantages of this equipment are as follows: to 1. Easy operation, time and labor saving. The framework is easy to install, and customized tooling is also convenient. The controller interface is similar to that of common standard CNC winding machines, making it easy to get started. Daily maintenance and debugging are simple, saving time dot-to-dot. Excellent performance and quiet operation. It features high winding precision, good stability, and fast speed. The equipment runs smoothly with minimal vibration, ensuring a smooth winding process. The low working noise improves production efficiency and enhances the comfort of the working environment. Outbreak or reliable safety protection. It is equipped with a standard dedicated protective cover. Compared with equipment without a protective cover, it effectively prevents the risk of hands and heavy, ensuring the safety of operators. Shipu and you work together for